Right, hi, good evening everybody. It's a Sunday afternoon and I've been on my plot today. Look, I've got my brassica cage up. It's not 100% yet, I'm working on it. I've had enough for today, so just want squaring up and sorting out. Put the rest of the netting on. I'm going to bring some zip ties or something else tomorrow to sort that out. My leeks are still doing alright. Veg truck, right. I've planted some stuff in my veg truck today. I've planted some spring onions, some midget gems and some radishes. So hopefully we'll see them coming through soon. So that's them in there. Other side, nothing so far. Not done nothing with it. So that's another job I've got to do. Let's go and have a quick look around. One seeing Sammy said it's a mess. Rhubarb. Well, you can see my rhubarb has taken off no end. And we'll soon be having rhubarb pie after that. Look at this. Look at these bits, look. They're quite big. And the apples, plums and pear trees are all bustling. Gooseberries are all coming through, so that's really good. I've got to come around here and do a bit of hoeing on here tomorrow, I think. My polytunnel, right, I've got to get in here and I've got to sort this polytunnel out because I need it. So maybe tomorrow job is polytunnel job. I don't know. Haven't decided. So might get in there tomorrow, sort the polytunnel out. That's that. Strawberries are looking alright. I did over manure them, but you know, the garlic's looking really good. There's some of it. Here's the rest of it. So I'm starting to get a bit green now. Over here on this side, I've rotovated it all, cleaned it all up, tidied it up, ready to start planting on this year. And anybody that's been with me a while will know it's taken me nearly 4 years to even start planting on this side. So I'm pleased where I'm at. And this is one of my social experiments for now. I've planted out 4 broad beans. I still think it's too early for that one there. It doesn't even look very well already, does it? These ones here aren't too bad. I still think it's far too early for stuff yet, but you know, people are saying, put this out for that one. Yeah, well, I'm not that keen. My neighbour, look at this. Neighbour's done really well. They've got loads of potatoes in there, I think. And that's where they're at with that. And they're doing really well. I like that plot. That plot's going to look really good soon. I've got my netting to still go around and it's all the way on the floor. And I'll do that tomorrow. It's a tomorrow job. I'm rotovating at the moment because obviously I'm rotovating in all the manure that I've left rotting over the winter. Water butts. I've got to get a pipe. Again, you know, if it's not one job, it's 5,000. Get a pipe, move the water from that water butt into that water butt because that water butt is sunk. Great, eh? Yeah, another job I've got to do if I haven't got enough to do. Right, this side then, let's have a look. Brown was here working today and he says he's going to see me tomorrow, so he should be here working tomorrow as well. I've got all this to rotovate yet. I'm going to dig all the weeds out first though. Then I'm going to come up and rotovate all of this in. Brian, look at Brian's beds, looking really good. He's put weed suppression down and he's put grass seed along the sides there. Bless him. I started to rotovate this, but then I lost interest today with stuff. I wanted to get that brassica cage up. Here's my onions. Looking good. They've already got loads of chicken manure on them. So these will all be alright. These will all come through. 1 or 2 little weeds here and there, look. Just going to go around and just tidy them up a bit. Spring is on its way, definitely. And things are looking good. As long as obviously other things in the world don't overtake us, we should still be alright. Things here are pretty much the same, pretty normal. You know, it's just one of those things, isn't it? You know, we just have to do what we can and be where we're at. Put that in there, Billy. Right, so let's go and have a look around then. Let's go and see what other people are up to. I've got every intention to build my P support structure there on this side at the top tomorrow. Then maybe put some potatoes in. I've got some potatoes, chickens, so I'm going to do that. Steve doesn't do loads of vegetables and that. He has his allotment because he has his pigeons. Bless him. Brian, I fixed all Brian's fence, look. Finished it off, that's all fixed. And I got the committee A notice board last week when I was away doing some work somewhere else. So here we go, Brian's plot looking really good actually. Brian is not doing a bad job here. It's looking okay. I like Brian's plot, I think it's another good plot. Alan hasn't started on this plot yet this year. This has got some really good structures on it, and it's a good plot, but we'll just have to wait and see where Alan decides he wants to go with this at the moment. And that's that. Hinge and bracket have been here today, so we're going up and have a look at hinge and bracket. I don't know what I'm going to do. If we basically get put on lockdown, I'm going to work my garden I'm going to work my garden at the house anyway. I'm led to believe we can still come up here anyway and do some work. So we'll come up here and do some work. Hinge and bracket was cutting the grass and everything today. Doing a really good job, tidying up, ready for the new season. This is their plot, look. Looks good. The view is absolutely gorgeous, and there isn't a lot of people moving around at the moment. People have hankered themselves down with their toilet rolls, and they're wiping their lips with the toilet roll, I think. I don't know what they're doing with it, to be honest with you. But everybody to themselves, I suppose. That's why we live in a free nation and a democracy. That structure surely wants sorting out, but it doesn't look too bad at the moment. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm going to have to make a decision and see how I go. But definitely got to come up on that right hand corner, and the rest of the net's got to go round, and I'm going to put some stuff on the floor. That'll look quite good, that. And I'll have my brassicas in there, like me broccoli and my cauliflower and my cabbages this year. Maybe I might put my Brussels sprouts in there, see how I feel. I do have a load of that stuff over in the greenhouse at home, and I've got a load of plants over there that are not looking too bad at the moment. My daffies have all come through that I'm putting. I've children a couple mind. Oh bless. You know, so we're not looking too bad. Right, that's enough of me waffling for now. I've got every intentions of doing like a video if I got stuck at home and we do go on total lockdown. I intend to do a video every single day. I have to be intuitive and inventive in what I want to do, but I will do something, and I will try my best to keep everybody high spirits, because we're British and we've got stiff upper lips. That's what we're gonna do. So look round the back then. Alison's apparently paid a rent, and apparently Bill's going to come and turn this over. And to be honest, I'm doing nothing down the back of here. Absolutely nothing. If somebody comes up to me and says I've got a load of wood chip, I'll take wood chip off of them. My guttering's come away, look there. So that's going to need sorting. I'm going to have to get up there and get that sorted out. I can't reach it from here. It'll be tomorrow's job again. I'll get up there and I'll push that back together tomorrow. Right, so that's it for today. Things are looking okay. Things are moving on now. It's like I said, it's spring, and when spring comes, you know, things really start to ramp up quite a bit. My allotment looks really good. I'm impressed with it. I'm pleased with what I've done, and I'm pleased how far I've got. Yeah, it's not all finished, but we'll get there in the end. Thank you anyway. Take care everybody and keep yourself safe. TTFN for now everybody.